我现在来到了就是Palit同德的摊位，可以看到满满的青色，很有英伟达的味道。当然，目前Palit呢也是已知的，在目前来说销售最多数量的 N 卡。所以对于他们的40系列显卡，我相信大家也不陌生。不过有一个产品勾起了我的兴趣，我来带你们看一下。你们现在看到的呢是Palit同德以及 Lynk Plus 一起共同打造的这一个联合款式，也就是使用的 Lynk Plus 的这个一体水显卡散热方案。可以看得到这边是用的一个水冷管，然后再连接一个水冷排。我相信大家也挺好奇这样的一个水冷散热方案，它到底是怎么样运作的？大家也别担心，我找来了这个 Lynk Plus 的这个 CEO。来和我们解答一下，到底这个产品它是怎么样运作的。
Hi Kelly, nice to meet you. So I'm Nick from Lynk Plus. We're based in Germany and working together with Palit. We make high-performance water coolers. So this water cooler is different from others that you've seen before. That it's an all-in-one, specifically designed for graphics card. Supposed to be easy to use, but also much lower cost than custom water cooling like DK, but still performance like DK.
So this is the actual AIO done with the water block radiator together. So just explain how it works.
So you have the radiator and it includes a pump already.
Yeah.
So actually also we have a cable running on the tubing. So all the fan control is coming directly from the graphics card. You don't have to do anything. There's an electrical contact in here.
Okay.
That you can use, and then nothing happens. So you don't need to do anything. So you just need to connect this with the one screw, like this, and then it's connected. You screw it all the way in, it's connected. SATA power, this is RGB, so you're finished.
Yep.
You're ready to go. You have water cooling, better performance or same performance as custom water cooling. What you can also do is you can get more connectors and put one in here.
Okay,
and
so
you make a system.
What is this?
This is a CPU cooler.
So it's a CPU cooler. So is it possible I can just add together, run all in one with
all in one system? You can do up to 10 components of Lynk Plus in one system.
Okay.
So you can do many radiators and you can do many more CPU blocks.
Okay.
You can cool SSDs. We can cool anything.
Sure. If I think the performance is not enough, it's possible I can custom it.
You don't need to custom it because this cooler actually has a vapor chamber on the GPU.
Okay.
We are the first ones to do this.
Okay.
This can beat the best performance custom water coolers.
So how to work? Maybe I just need to add on the more refrigerator.
You can also add more radiators.
How?
So that you can disconnect the coupling like this. You can get another coupling and you can connect 2 radiators to it, for example.
So just I need to buy one more the refrigerator.
If you buy one more radiator, you just add it on with this connector. No liquid comes out when you disconnect and connect. And all these Lynk Plus couplings are always the same. So even if you buy a radiator in 5 years, it will still work with the system.
Okay.
Whenever you want to buy a new radiator, the connector, we promise this, is always the same.
I think this graphical with the AIO cooler is maybe a bit huge. It's possible for next generation, maybe more compact a little bit.
This is because of the screen also, it's more big.
Yeah.
It is possible to do this for 2-slot systems.
Just 2 slots.
2 slots.
Okay.
It's possible. Then you put the connector in the back. And you have a 3-slot graphics card.
Okay.
It's possible. So for mini ITX, all of this. All possible. But of course, this depends on a partner. Like if Palit wants to do this, we can do a product like this.
Last, I think it's very like this product. It's possible I can experience.
Right now, at the moment, you cannot buy it yet. But we are working with Palit. We're talking with Palit about everybody knows the next generation of graphics card is coming.
Right.
So and we want to make this happen. And Palit seems to be pretty happy as well.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Yeah, we're hopeful for the next generation. You can buy this. We will start out more higher priced and more at the high end, but our goal is also to offer it at lower price point as well. So this is not only a 4090, 5090 kind of product.
Okay.
Our goal is to make water cooling easy to use, high performance, and affordable.
I wish I can get it to experience soon, if can.
We would love to send you a sample. So you can send it in the house. Through the Palit graphics card, like this, if you want it.
Okay. So when I get the products, and then I will share my experience to you guys. See you there. 好，以上呢就是Palit以及 Lynk Plus 一起共同研发的这一个水冷显卡散热器的这一个基本的这个分享体验啊。当然了，我还没上手，我也不晓得它到底好不好用。 所以呢，期待他们把这个工程样品发给我过后，我在这一步和大家一同分享。我们下一期节目再见，拜拜。